Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Apologies for my voice, still I have a cold. But this week, as I said previously, these are the ballerinas and this is the male form. So we'll just get to it. Good speed for all three. I was actually getting quicker, so I was finishing them slightly quicker. Some were 30 seconds, some were a full minute. So I am actually getting quicker again, so I will probably reduce my time once again to maybe about 3 minutes, but I will let you know when I do that. But for now it's 4 minutes per drawing and then a minute to assess. So good speed. As you can see, I'm using less lines and less pressure on the pencil, and I believe my proportions and the ratio of the structure is far better than the previous videos. As you will see if you see 2 videos back, I was struggling to actually, my hand was struggling to heat up and actually get into it, but this is what I find sometimes I just need to warm up, and then all of a sudden it just, well, most of the time it just clicks. So geometric and observational methods for all three. I made this guy a little bit smaller so I could actually get the rest, well, most of the legs in, compared to just up to the hip and pelvic area. Proportions and structure for all three I believe were pretty accurate, and I will keep going. Let me know what you think, what your evaluation would be, what you would do. Obviously the hands are just kind of pointed and they're gestural, but these, the purpose of these is just for a sketch, a very light sketch, so that you can get the layout and the structure and everything correct before you go ahead and create the drawing or painting. So let me know what you think and get back to me. Bye!